Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 10th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far, but a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system moving across the country, and we're going to start off up here in the northeastern U.S. You can see we got some activity up here around Pennsylvania, also Rhode Island, all the way up into Maine, also toward New Brunswick, up here around Ottawa and Toronto, Canada, just north of the Great Lakes. Got another little storm system here moving across the south, which brings some shower activity to the Carolinas and Georgia and Florida and the Virginia region here coming up on your Wednesday. A little bit of mixed precipitation possibly up in West Virginia as well. Got another storm system here. You can see the swirl moving into the California region, bringing a lot of atmospheric moisture into areas of Southern California, into the Baja region, over to Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, and also toward areas of Nevada, southern Idaho, and also a portion of Oregon State, and a little bit of activity across South Canada as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like my work, what I do to try to get these forecasts out to you promptly and also accurately as possible to your local forecast areas. Alrighty, so make sure you hit that subscribe and also hit that like button so more people get the chance to view my forecast and make my channel grow as well. I'm still trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. I'd greatly appreciate it if everybody out there could help me get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube here. Alright, well, let's see if we got some snow flying in New Brunswick, the Maine, and New Hampshire, over here toward Ottawa and Toronto, Canada, Michigan, also portion of Wisconsin, also Lake Erie and Lake Superior. Got some heavy snow in areas of New York State, to Vermont, New Hampshire, and also in the Maine. Freezing rain up here in portion of Connecticut, New York State, Pennsylvania. Then mixed precipitation from Rhode Island to D.C. to Delaware to Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York State to West Virginia, all the way over toward Kentucky, Ohio, and Indiana. Living in portion of the state of Virginia as well. Also more mixed precipitation from Wyoming to Colorado to Utah to Idaho, Nevada, Oregon, California. Areas as well. Got some heavy snow in the Sierra Mountains of California, thunderstorms and showers there as well, stretching in central and southern California. Then shower and thunderstorm activity from Arizona down into Mexico to Texas, all the way to Arkansas to Kansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, also into areas of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Panhandle, Florida, Alabama, and Mississippi regions as well. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, we're going to try to get to your Thursday forecast. Okay, here we go. Here, roll out something like this here. Okay, here's Thursday forecast. You can see we got shower activity from North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, back to Texas, northern Gulf, Atlantic coastal water, thunderstorms and showers from Kentucky to Illinois to Indiana, also Missouri, Arkansas, and also in the part of Oklahoma. Same over here in California, down to southern California, Washington State, western area. Got mixed precipitation in Washington State, Oregon, Idaho. You got some heavy snow in the California Sierra Mountains again. More mixed precipitation in areas of Nevada, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Nebraska, portions with southwestern Nebraska, Colorado, New Mexico. Got some heavy snow portions of Idaho and also Wyoming, Utah, and portion of northern Colorado. Got more mixed precipitation in portions of South Dakota, down into Iowa, snow flying, and also Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Illinois. Then again from West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York State to Maine, Ottawa, and Toronto, Canada. And also up here around Lake Erie and Lake Superior. Got some heavy snow in portion of New York State, to portion of Maine as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to your current watches warning advisory map. You're located across the nation. Alright, and it should roll out like this here. We got some winter weather advisory, winter storm warning from Maine to New Hampshire to Vermont to New York State, down to Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, down to West Virginia, and also portions of Pennsylvania. And then again over here in portions of Colorado, also Wyoming, Idaho, Utah, California mountain. Wind advisories up here in portions of southern, central, and southern California, also portions of Nevada, special weather statements, and also some flood watches in effect for Nevada. Some more special weather statements for Maine, and then we got dense fog advisory across southeast Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and Alabama, Florida Panhandle, and the portions of the coastal waters. Smoke rating advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way to the coast of Georgia and Florida coast, southern California, Washington State, around the Hawaiian chain island, with some wind advisories and also high surf warnings there as well. Also around the Alaska region with freezer spray warnings, storm warnings in the purple. Then we got blizzard warning, and then we got blue here. This is cold weather warnings, and also we have some cold weather advisories and also some winter weather advisories there in the purple in Alaska region. Alright, let's move over to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Should roll out something like this here. Got general thunderstorms over here from Fresno, over towards Sacramento, also Reno, Elko, and also Salt Lake City, Utah, Ellie, Nevada. Just general thunderstorm. Could not rule out a severe thunderstorm in that area as well. Alright, let's move on to the outlook for snowfall or winter storm outlook from 4 through 7. Should roll out something like this here. Okay, we're still waiting on it to pop up here in just a few minutes. Okay, you can see here day 4. Got a little we're looking at about 10 to 30% chance up here in portions of Washington State, down toward Colorado, and also down into areas of Arizona and New Mexico, a little bit of New York State. Then again on day 5, you can see in Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California. Then you can see it again, winter storm probability, again in Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California. Then a little bit over here in portions of Virginia, all the way into portions of New Hampshire, Vermont, and also South Canada. That's about 10 to 30% chance in that area. Same again over here in portions of Maine into New Brunswick, South Canada. Then we got about 30 to almost 70% chance over California. And then you can see 10 to 50% elsewhere from Arizona, New Mexico, all the way over to Colorado, all the way up to Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Montana, and Nevada regions as well. Alright, and let me click on this here. We're going to show you the heavy snow risk. See if we can click on it here. So we'll show you the heavy snow risk here. If we can get to it. I went to that, but here's a look at this here. This is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. We got from Maine to Florida to Texas, all the way over to Montana, above normal temp. You can see near the below normal temps out west from Montana, western Montana to Arizona to California. Hawaiian chain island going to be above normal, and you can see that Alaska will be near normal to below normal in that area. I'm going to go ahead and show you the precipitation while we that far down. So, alright, the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook looks like this. Above normal from Maine to portions of Pennsylvania, all the way to California to Washington State. Near normal to below normal for portions of Colorado to Texas to Florida to the Carolinas, all the way to southern Pennsylvania up toward DC and Delaware areas as well. You can see the Hawaiian chain island above average precipitation, and then across the Alaska region you can see above, near, and below normal across the area. Now let's see if we can get to this thing here. Alright, now here we go. Here's what I wanted to show everyone. Alright, you can see we got high risk over here in the California Cascade Mountain, 218 to 219 for central southern California up to portion of Oregon. Then again over here in Arizona, all the way up into portion of Wyoming. Then you can see a moderate risk to in that general same area. Then we got slight risk 218 to 224, pretty much over here in Washington, Oregon State down to California. Then a slight risk from 218 to 221, Montana down toward New Mexico and Arizona. Then we have another slight risk from 218 to 220, straight from eastern Montana all the way to the Great Lakes region as well. Alrighty, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got.